In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to navigate through a course in Canvas. After logging into your student portal at my.pierce.edu, you'll click on the Course Online Access button, and this will take you directly to your dashboard on Canvas. As you can see on the left-hand side, it automatically logs you into your dashboard. Your dashboard is where you can see the list of your courses in a card view. So here you'll see these little cards that are colored, and you can change the colors of these cards if you wanted to. But you will also be able to see this information in a list view if you go over here and click list view when your classes start. The list view will give you more descriptive details of the course, like when assignments are due and what's coming up in the class and those types of things. I prefer the card view because it's more simplistic, and then I can just click on the course that I want to with the name that's listed in the bottom section. So right now we're going to go ahead and click on the Student Orientation Sandbox course. You should all have access to this, but you'll see in your dashboard a list of all of your courses. For example, English 101, and it'll say that English Composition, English 101 right here. The only thing is that you will not see that course listed until the day that the course starts. So for now, we're going to use the Student Orientation Sandbox. And when you click on this, you can see on the left-hand side, you still have all of your tabs that you can choose from. And right here, it shows you how to navigate through this course. And all of the classes are set up like this. So if it is an English 101 course, you would see a home section, a syllabus section, an announcement section, a module section. So we're going to go through each of these. The home section will just tell you a little bit about the course, maybe introduce you to your professor, and help get you started. The syllabus will give you all of the information about the course, what's going on in the course, what textbooks you're using for the course. All of that information will be provided on your syllabi, as well as your professor's contact information, the best way to reach your professors and their office hours. Those types of things are provided on each syllabus of every course. And then there's an announcement section. Your professors may post announcements throughout your time in the course. So your announcements may actually change on a week-by-week basis. You have the module section. The module section is where your courses are broken down on a week-by-week basis. So you'll be spending most of your time in the modules. Here you'll see a week 1 hands-on activity, week 2 hands-on activity. You can take a quiz in week 3. And your courses will be set up very much like this. It'll have the title of what you're doing for the week up here. And then it'll have a section that you can click on. For example, this is a discussion question, as you can see, because there is a discussion icon here. And this is called Canvas Reflection Discussion. So if you wanted to see this and join in on the discussion, you would click that. And then it's going to give you some instructions, and you can click the reply button, and you can answer those questions up top if you prefer. And then when you're done, you'll go ahead and click post, and that's how you do a discussion in Canvas. So your goal as a student is to make sure that you're going through your modules each week, making sure that you click on every tab that is listed underneath of the title of week 1, week 2, week 3, all the way through week 7. You do not have to work ahead in your classes, but it is good practice to make sure that you are not procrastinating and submitting your assignments on time. So make sure that on day 1 of your class starting, that you check into your modules and make sure that you're doing what you need to do for the course under each week. Here you can see a list of your grades for the class throughout a weekly basis on the assignments, discussions, or quizzes that you've taken in the course. Here you can see your assignments tab. If you don't have an assignments tab on the left-hand side in a course, you can view the assignments under the modules. But an example of an assignment would look like this. Here's an assignment right here, and it's called Where in the World. If you click on this, you can see how much that assignment's worth. You can see what you have to do for the assignment. Here is the rubric for how your assignment will be graded. And then when you're ready to submit your assignment, you can go ahead and click the Submit button. The Submit Assignment button will open up, and you can choose the file from where you saved it onto your computer. So for example, if it was a Word document, you would just open up that Word document. I always tell students to try to organize their folders. So I would create a Pierce College folder, and then I would click on that, and I would create a new folder, and maybe title it English 101. And then I'll click on this folder and I'll save my assignment in here, and this is where I would open up my assignment if I finished it for that English 101 course, and I would submit it after I open it up by clicking the Submit Assignment button. There's a calendar over here on the left-hand side that you can access as well. And on your calendar, you'll see a list of all of the courses, and they're color-coded. When your classes pop up, you will actually see the assignments and when they're due on your calendar. And after you submit your assignments, they will cross out on your calendar. We've already posted a video about the inbox. This is where you can message your professors. I always prefer students to message their professors through Canvas because this gives Pierce College some sort of a timestamp of when you message the instructor and those types of things. It's just good practice to message your professor through the inbox in Canvas rather than your student email. Your student email you can use if you need to contact anybody from Pierce College specifically, maybe your academic advisor, finance advisor, enrollment specialist. Then you can just use your student email, but your inbox is the best way to communicate with your professors. And then there's a help tab down here, and I already shared a video that showed you how to search the Canvas guides as well. So in this video, you've just learned how to navigate through a course in Canvas. If you go to your dashboard, remember to click on the course, the day that the course starts. Remember to access your syllabi for each course that you're in. You can print the syllabus or save it to your computer. And remember to go to your modules every time you visit a class so that you know what you're doing in each week and that you can finish your assignments, your discussions, so that you can participate with your classmates, all of those things. You also have access to the Pierce College Library in here, access to tutoring online, the Walker Center's information is here, and different library resources as well. Thank you for watching.